the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Computer Science Form 3. This is Mrs. Suchi Mehta. We have already started with Chapter 2. In that, we have done what is hardware and what are the input devices, what are the output devices, and storage devices. Now, today, we will do little revision of both the topics that we have already done and more to topic, that is what is the software and different types of software. Even we are going to do the exercise of page number 18, question D, E, F. I hope that you will be ready with your textbook and pencil box. Okay, let's start with the slight revision that we have done in last week. What is the hardware? Okay, computer system has two basic parts. One is hardware and software. From that we have learned what is a hardware. Hardware is a physical part of a computer that you can touch and see. So now hardware is again different types of hardwares are there, input devices are there, output devices are there, and storage devices are there. Let us see input devices. Devices through which you can enter words, numbers, and pictures, they all are called input devices, right? We have seen the example like keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, and microphone. There are more input devices, but these are the example that we have learned in our chapter. I have taken the same example. Then we have output devices. Devices which display the information and result are called output devices. Example monitor, printer, and speaker, right? So these are the input devices that we have learned. Then comes storage devices. What is a storage device? The devices which are used for storing data. We have taken an example of a pencil box. In pencil box I can put different pencils and or I can carry even different colors in it. So we have seen the three different types of storage devices: CD, pen drive, and hard disk, right? So these are all are portable devices. Portable means easily carried from one place to another. Hard disk you can also have external, from outside also you can attach any new hardware, new hard disk, right? So this was lesson 2 last week, what we have done till now. Now let us start with what is a software. Now a set of instruction given to the computer is software. Now software is that part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software in it. There are two types of software: system software and application software. Now some softwares are working in the background, right? You cannot see them, they are continuously processing is going on it. Even you cannot touch them. Okay, we will take an example of a CD. Now I have a CD, and on the CD I have in the CD I have a movie or I have a song. Can I touch that movie or a song? No. Why? Because it's a software. Now software is again divided into two parts. Okay, one is system software and another is application software. Now let us see what is the system software. It is a set of programs that control the overall working of a computer. Now, in our book, we got an example of operating system. System software is nothing but an operating system. Now, what is an operating system? OS. Okay, OS, operating system. You might have heard about different operating systems. Somebody says that I have Windows 8. Somebody says I have Windows 10. This all are the different names of operating system. There are variety of operating systems available, right? Now, operating system is a part of a system software that makes a computer run. It manages all the input and output operations, right? It also manages the link between the different parts of computer and the user. Now let us take an example which is given in your book itself. Okay, There is a car in a house. It has petrol, engine, everything, but it is not moving. When will the car move? It will move only when the driver starts it, right? So the driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, operating system is compared to the driver of a computer, which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own, right? So system software is very important part of a computer. Now let us see the application software. The software that do specific type of work is known as application software. Now there are example like calculator. You can see in calculator you can just do only calculations. Can you draw picture in calculator? No. It means specific type of work. It do particular work only. Games. There are variety of games, but the same games have some specific type of work. Means that game will be allowed to play only that game. For example, you are using a game of a racing car, so you can only do the racing car. There I cannot do any painting or anything, right? So it is a specific work that this game is only for playing the racing car. Then I have a paint program. Again, it's an application software, right? In paint program you can draw, yes, you can type, but can you do any calculations in MS Paint? No, it's not there, right? Then we have WordPad. So many application softwares are there. Okay, now, so this was the system software and application software. Now let us do question D. A, B and C will be your prep. I will give it in our application. Okay, now question D. Kabir sings a song and records it in the computer. Which input device did he use? To record our voice we use microphone. Sheena draws a greeting card using a specific software. What type of software did she use? Now you can see here there is a word use, specific software. I cannot write paint program, okay, because here it is asked what type of software. Type. So the answer will be application software. So this is question D, page number 18. Number 1 microphone and second answer is application software. Question E. Name the device used for each of the following jobs, right? A device which is commonly seen in the video parlors for playing games. Which device is used for playing games? Yes, joystick, right? Second question, a device that is used to record our voice and other sounds in a computer. Which device is used to record our voice and other sound? That is microphone. A device that can read words, pictures or number from paper and store them in a computer. That is nothing but scanner. Number 4, a device which is used to hear sound and music stored in a computer. Which is that device? That is speaker. So this is your question D and E. I'll just repeat the answers. Question D number 1 microphone. Question D number 2 application software. Question E number 1 joystick. Question E number 2 microphone. Question E number 3 scanner. And question E number 4 speaker. So this is your page number 18, question D and E. I'll wait for a while. Then I will go to the next question, that is question F. Okay. Now let us move for question F, page number 18. Answer the following. First question, what is a software and name its type? Now let us see. A set of instruction given to the computer is called software. There are two types of software. One, system software and application software. A set of instruction given to the computer is called software, right? One system software and another is application software. System software example is operating system, and application, there are variety of application softwares like paint program, then games, etc. Right. Question 2, what is a storage device and give one example? The devices through which the devices which are used for storing data are called storage devices. In this chapter, we have learned three storage devices, that is CD, pen drive and hard disk. You can write any one of them. I repeat the answer. The devices which are used for storing data are called storage devices. Now, I have written your example of CD, compact disc. You can give any example, like either you can write hard disk or you can write pen drive or CD. Whichever one example you write, it is correct. Now let us move to question 3. What do we call the hardware device which are used to enter words, numbers or pictures? Input devices are the devices which are used to enter word, number or pictures. These are the hardware devices with the help of which you enter words, numbers or pictures. Question 4. Which application software is used for typing and making correction in the text? Now, text means the letters that you are seeing on the screen. These all are called text, right? Which application software? It is nothing but it is a text. Now, which software you will use for typing and making corrections? Actually, there are many application software, okay, where you can type and you can make the correction. But according to the book, we have got an example of a WordPad. So we will write WordPad is used for typing and making corrections in the text. Other than WordPad, like MS Word also, you can use, you can type. It is also an application software. You can type and you can make correction in it. Okay. But in our book, in our lesson 2, we got an example of WordPad. So we'll write the same. Question 5. Name the program used for performing calculations. What do you use? Which application software you use for doing calculation? That is calculator. Yes, calculator is the right answer. So this is your chapter 2 question answers, page number 18, right? In this chapter, actually we have learned about different input, output devices, right? And even the storage devices. We have also learned what is hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part of computer that you can touch. Software you cannot touch, right? Software is just now only, for example, I cannot touch the video, I can touch the device, but I cannot touch the video which you are seeing just now. So that is a software I cannot touch. Again, in software we have seen two different types of software: application software and system software. Now system software is very important part of a computer. If system software is not there, then you cannot work any application software. Okay, I don't have my operating system, so I cannot work with WordPad or MS Paint or calculator. So this is the chapter 2. What is hardware and software? What are the different input, output and storage devices and types of software? In this we have learned the different types of input devices like keyboard, mouse, right? Scanner, light pen, joystick, microphone. This different input devices we have learned, and that you have already written in your study book. Most of you have written and you have submitted your work. Very good, well done. Now the prep, I am going to put it in the application, that is question A, B and C, page number 17. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. This topic of question D, E, F, I am going to put in the application. You can share in the ERP, the Rajkumar College application. Thank you and have a nice day, children.